Hello, I wanted to walk you through understanding the difference between expanded form and expanded notation. First of all, I'm going to put my number in standard form, or this is also known as written form. But standard form is just when you see it as a regular number. This is my place value chart. It's very important for me to know my place value so that I can have the correct expanded form and the correct expanded notation. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my number into my place value chart. So I start here. This is a 6 in the ones place. There's a 1 in the tens place, a 2 in the hundreds place, comma, a 2 in the thousands place, and a 1 in the 10,000s place. So I just transfer my number here into the place value chart. All right, expanded form is when I'm adding all the place values together. So for here, I'm looking at this 1 and it's in the 10,000s value. So that would be 10,000 plus, there's a 2 in the thousands place, 2,000 plus, there's a 2 in the hundreds place, so it's 200. There's a 1 in the tens place, so that's 10. And there's a 6 in the ones place, so then that is 6. And this is for expanded form. You're just taking the digits, and they go into that place value, and you're putting it in front of that place value. So 1 for 10,000, 2 for 1,000, 2 for 100, 1 for 10, and then 6 in your ones place. Expanded notation, I'm actually going to be using brackets, okay? Because I'm actually going to be multiplying each place value by the digit that is in that place value. So if I start here, that's in the 10,000s place. So that would be 1 times 10,000 plus 2 times 1,000 because it's in the thousands place, plus 2 times 100 because it's in the hundreds place, plus 1 times 10, and I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to go down here. 6 times 1, because that's in the ones place. Okay, so this expanded form and expanded notation is stretching that number out. However, for expanded notation, I'm using brackets because I'm actually multiplying that digit by the place value that it's in. Now, in the work that you're assigned, they give you the expanded notation and you need to write the standard form. You need to write it as a number. So in your example that you have in your work today, for number 11, it's like this. 4 times 10,000, 5 times 1,000, 1 times 100, 0 times 10, plus 0 times 1. The best thing for you to do is to go ahead and place this in a place value chart. Place value charts are very important to use because it really gives you a strong foundation of understanding the numbers and where they fall is in regards to their place value. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ones place here, tens, hundreds, thousands, and this goes up to 10,000, so I'm going to put 10,000. Remember, I put a comma after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, my comma would go here. Alrighty, let's go ahead and plug in those numbers. I have a 0 in my ones place. Here's my ones place. It says 0 times 1, so that's just going to be a 0 because I'm looking at the number that's being multiplied by that place value. This is another 0 times 10 times the tens place, so this would also be a 0. This is a 1 in the hundreds place, 5 thousands place, and a 4 in the 10,000s place. Okay, so my number written in standard form is 45,100. Okay, and so this would be how you do your expanded notation worksheet. All right, if you have any questions, please make sure you come to tutorials. Bye, guys.